The co-founder of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, is making headlines again, this time for his $10 million donation to the nonprofit Open. The donation is aimed at furthering the adoption of Bitcoin as the native currency of the Internet, and also to fund the development of a social protocol called Nostr. This move proves just how serious Dorsey is about Bitcoin and the future of social networks. What is Open? Open is a non-profit organization that aims to increase the adoption of Bitcoin by funding projects and initiatives that support the growth of the Bitcoin ecosystem. The organization believes that Bitcoin has the potential to become the native currency of the Internet, and is working towards making that a reality. Dorsey's donation to Open. Jack Dorsey's $10 million donation to Open is a significant contribution towards the organization's goals. The donation is split into two parts, with $5 million being allocated towards the development of the Nostr social protocol. The remaining $5 million is to be used to further the adoption of Bitcoin. Nostr. The social protocol. Nostr is a social protocol that allows users to create decentralized social networks. The protocol was developed by a pseudonymous creator known only as @FiatJaff. Since its launch, the network has attracted 16 million users, 500,000 of which are daily. Nostr also allows software developers to integrate Bitcoin payments into their applications, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to incorporate Bitcoin into their operations. Dorsey's investment in Blue Sky. Prior to leaving Twitter in May 2022, Dorsey had invested $13 million in a similar open-source social protocol called Blue Sky. Blue Sky aims to create a decentralized social media network that allows users to move their profiles between different competitors. Dorsey's investment in Blue Sky shows his commitment to the development of decentralized social networks and his belief in their potential to challenge the dominance of centralized social media platforms. Reducing bias. Dorsey's latest donation to Open helps to level the playing field and reduce any sense that he is picking favorites in his mission to outcompete Twitter. By supporting Nostr and the development of other decentralized social protocols, Dorsey is working towards a future where there is greater competition and innovation in the social media space. Impact of Dorsey's donation. Dorsey's donation to Open is a significant boost to the Bitcoin ecosystem and the development of decentralized social networks. The $5 million investment in Nostr will help to accelerate the growth of the protocol and attract more users. The remaining $5 million will be used to further the adoption of Bitcoin, which could have a significant impact on the future of the currency. The benefits of decentralized social networks. Decentralized social networks like Nostr and Blue Sky offer several benefits over centralized social media platforms. First, they provide greater privacy and security for users, as they are not owned and controlled by a single entity. This means that users have greater control over their data and can choose to share it only with those they trust. Second, decentralized social networks are more resistant to censorship and manipulation. Centralized platforms like Facebook and Twitter have been criticized for their censorship practices and for their ability to shape public opinion through algorithms and targeted advertising. Decentralized networks, on the other hand, are more difficult to manipulate and are less susceptible to censorship. Finally, decentralized social networks have the potential to be more innovative and competitive than centralized platforms. Because they are not owned and controlled by a single entity, they are more open to new ideas and are more responsive to user needs. This could lead to the development of new features and services that are not available on centralized platforms. The potential of Bitcoin as the native currency of the Internet. Jack Dorsey's donation to Open is also aimed at furthering the adoption of Bitcoin as the native currency of the Internet. Bitcoin is a decentralized digital currency that operates without the need for a central bank or administrator. It is based on blockchain technology, which allows for secure and transparent transactions without the need for intermediaries. The adoption of Bitcoin as the native currency of the Internet could have several benefits. First, it would allow for more secure and efficient online transactions, as Bitcoin transactions are processed quickly and securely without the need for intermediaries. This could lead to lower transaction fees and faster transaction times. Second, the adoption of Bitcoin could help to reduce the dominance of traditional financial institutions and promote greater financial inclusion. Because Bitcoin is decentralized, it is not subject to the same regulations and restrictions as traditional financial institutions, making it more accessible to people who are unbanked or underbanked. Finally, the adoption of Bitcoin could help to promote greater financial privacy and security. Because Bitcoin transactions are anonymous and secure, they are less susceptible to fraud and theft than traditional financial transactions. The future of decentralized social networks and Bitcoin. Jack Dorsey's donation to Open is a significant development in the world of decentralized social networks and Bitcoin. The donation will help to fund the development of Nostr and other decentralized social protocols, which could lead to greater innovation and competition in the social media space. It will also help to promote the adoption of Bitcoin, which could have a significant impact on the future of the currency. As decentralized social networks and Bitcoin continue to grow and evolve, they have the potential to reshape the way we interact with each other online and the way we conduct financial transactions. While there are still many challenges and obstacles to overcome, the potential benefits of these technologies are too great to ignore. Conclusion. Jack Dorsey's $10 million donation to Open is a major step forward in the development of decentralized social networks and the adoption of Bitcoin as the native currency of the Internet. The donation will help to fund the development of Nostr and other decentralized social protocols, which could lead to greater privacy, security, and innovation in the social media space. It will also help to promote the adoption of Bitcoin, which could have a significant impact on the future of the currency. As these technologies continue to grow and evolve, they have the potential to reshape the way we interact with each other online and the way we conduct financial transactions.